Hello, we're going to learn George the Giraffe, the first song of 5-note songs for piano. It uses C, D, E, F, G, and by now we should be able to read the sheet music. Okay, and let's start. The first thing is, you should know that this is using only our right hand here because of the treble clef, which is noted over here, and the time signature is 4/4. If it's 4/4, all your measures will be on 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, please note that and identify the notes first. First note is G. So 3 times we need to play G. Then it's a rest. It's a quarter rest. The first measure is over. Then we are going to the next measure. What's the next measure? The notes are F, F, F. Then again rest. Then it follows E, 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 rest. D, 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 rest. Then C, 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 rest. D, 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 rest. Then E, 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 rest. Then F, 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 rest. Then G, 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 rest. Then C, 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 rest. G, 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 rest. C, G, C, rest. So we have found all the notes right now. What we are going to do is we are going to play it with the metronome. Keep the metronome at 70 BPM. Okay, then start the metronome. After 4 counts, we are going to play along the metronome. Okay, I hope you are able to get it the same as I have got it here, and if you're not able to get it, just pause, go back, read the notes, play it without the metronome, and come back and play it with the metronome. You'll be able to get it. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class.